Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. This is a brand new video about 99 Nights in the Forest on Roblox. And yes, it's all about free codes, free items, and free diamonds. So let's get started. First, open the game 99 Nights in the Forest. Then click on the diamond icon you see on your screen. After that, scroll down and you'll find an option called Code. That's where you'll need to enter the codes I'm going to give you. Once you paste them in and hit submit, the diamonds will be added to your account instantly. Now listen carefully. These codes not only give you free diamonds, but I'll also be sharing some gem codes later in this video. So don't skip anything, because every second counts. Before I reveal the first code, I want you to do 3 simple things. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. I'll be choosing a few random gamers and sending them free diamonds as gifts. The faster you comment, the higher your chance to win. I'm serious, guys. Drop your username in the comments right now. I'll check them personally, and if you're lucky, you'll get a diamond reward from me. And one more thing. At the end of this video, I've kept something really special just for you. It's a secret code that almost nobody knows about, so stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss it. Alright, now let's get into the main part, the codes. Type them exactly as I said, because even one wrong letter can make them invalid. Keep watching carefully and make sure you try each code inside the game. These codes are working right now, but they might expire soon. So redeem them as fast as possible. If you get a success message, congratulations. Your free diamonds are already in your account. Don't forget, I'll be uploading new codes every week. So if you want to stay updated, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on. That's all for today. Go ahead, claim your free rewards and enjoy 99 Nights in the Forest. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your Roblox username below. I'll see you in the next one.
I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.